Hi everyone and welcome back to the Stay at Home Gardening. Today I'm going to check in with my garden. What's going on? Here I've got a whole bunch of old lettuce seeds, so I'm going to plant them in the soil, but I'm going to plant them a little bit heavy because I'm not sure if these seeds are very viable or not. So I'm going to do a little bit of a design here and see how things go. So because they're lettuce, I can come in and then just trim them like scissors. And I'm just going to take some of the soil on the side, sprinkle it over. You don't really want your lettuce seeds too far under the ground. And then I'm going to water all of this. Let's check in on my little baby lettuces that I've been growing so you can see. It's nice and thick here. I'll be trimming this like hair. I won't be growing it just a head of lettuce. It'll be a mixture of seeds. You can see it's in between my marigolds. I've got broccoli over here to the left. I don't know if you can quite tell by this video, but some of my lettuce leaves are growing a little bit out to the side. Now that's because the sun comes up this way and it's still early in the season, so they're growing towards the sun. Inside, if you have that, if you're starting seeds and they start going one direction, you can just simply rotate your plants so they face the grow lamp or the window that you're growing in so they grow nice and straight. This won't be too bad because these are lettuce and they don't mind having that spring season growing, so they might be slightly crooked at the beginning. But as you can tell, the leaves are nice and big and it's low to the ground. If their stem gets really tall with tiny leaves at the top, that's called being leggy, and you don't want that. You want this nice low-lying stem with big leaves, and you can see they're starting to have some true leaves come in. So some of these plants have the heart-shaped beginning leaves, and then they've got new baby leaves coming in, and those are called the true leaves.